Hi guys, how do you feel today? Today I'm very happy to stay here to teach you about the ending sound. And firstly, I want to talk to you about the importance of ending sound in English. Okay? As you see, I have an elephant. Uh, an elephant has a head, body, tail, and in English, a goat also have at least two parts, body and tail, or we call ending sound. So example, when I talk fire and I don't talk any sound, you can guess what mean. I'm sure not, because I have five, sorry, five, five, fight, and five. So these are five. I have four ending sound so we have four work and meaning difference. So you can see the ending sound in English is very important. And today I teach you about the ending sound when we add to work ed, and this ending sound has three different pronunciation. It can sound like a T sound, like a D, or like the combination of short E and D sound. Firstly, I teach you about the sound D. I paint a speaker to express this to express this the is the voice consonant or vowels. And here I have a boy played football. So when a work finished at the voice consonant or vowels, we will talk ed to d. Okay, and now we practice played, cleaned, snowed, cloud, field, state. Okay, and the second pronunciation of ed is T sound, and I paint speaker. Sorry, I painted speaker, but not voice, unvoiced. So when a work finished at Z and voice sound, Z and voice consonant. We will talk example: laughed, laughed. And now we practice, okay? Brushed, brushed, laughed, laughed, pushed, pushed, washed, 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 danced, danced, work, worked. Okay? And here I have the last pronunciation of ed ending sound. You can see it's t and d, t and d. And when we talk ending sound, oh, so sorry. Here we will talk ed to eat, eat, and this is short e and the sound d. When a word finished at the sound t or d, we will talk the ending sound eat, eat. Example: wait, wait, paint, paint, shout, shout, want, want, land, land, depart, depart. Okay, I hope you can catch it. And now I move to the other ending sound. Okay. Here the ending sound s or s, and here when a word finished as unvoiced consonant, I express a speaker unvoiced. We will talk ending the ending sound at the sound. Okay, and here I painted two cats. We will talk one cat and two cats. Okay. Snakes, spots, and stamps. Here I have the other pronunciation of s and s. We will talk the ending sound s when after a vowel or voice consonant, so I express a speak a speak speaker a speaker. Yeah. This is the sound. So you can see here I have two bees. Bees. One bee. 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 Two bees. Two bees. One bee. Two bees. Okay, now we practice dogs. Sorry, dogs. Dogs. Bees. Bees. Animals. Animals. Things. Things. Okay, and the last, this is S, and the ending sound S. We will talk is a short E and the sound Z. Is one after the sound S, Z, Z, ch, and Z. So I have a sentence: sẵn sàng chung sức xin vô góp sức. Sẵn sàng chung sức xin vô góp cơm. And we can see this is the sound sh, ch, sh, sh, and z, and sh. Now we practice horse. Horse. Dish. Dishes. Dishes. Surprise. Surprise. Boxes. 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 Okay, I finished to teach you. I finished to teach you about the ending sound ed and es. So I hope you can catch the lesson, and you can control your English to talk better. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.